How to know if your Instagram account is hacked? Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Then navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Here you're gonna find different section. Head over to the section Account Center. Now click on the option Password and Security. Click on the option where you are logged in. Now click on your Instagram username. Now on this page, you're gonna find the list of the devices where your Instagram account is currently logged in. You're gonna find the device name along with the location. If you find any suspicious device over here, what you can do is click on the option Select Devices to log out, check in for it, click on Log out, click on Log out again. Likewise, what you can do is reset your password. So this is how you can easily know if your Instagram account is hacked. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.